So in this Python series, I will tell you the basics of Python, as well as after completing all the basics, we will move on to advanced section of Python and some other frameworks. So this is the first class of Python, and today I'll show you how to write a first program in Python. What are the uses of Python language? So Python is a very high level and object oriented programming language. This is generally getting popular all over the world now. So Python is a interpreted scripting language, and it was developed by Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands. Now moving on to the features of Python. Python has the following features you can see here. This is very easy to learn. It is very expressive language, easy to understand, interpreted language. It is object-oriented language, means this basically focuses on objects. This is open source. You can download all the frameworks as well as tools from uh, the internet, which is free of cost. This is extensible to various other frameworks. It has a very huge standard library. It has GUI programming support as well, integrated data mining, desktop applications, console, mobile applications, and all these enterprise applications, web application software development. Now moving on to the uses of Python. Let's see what are the uses of Python language. This is basically used in data science, data mining, desktop applications, console-based applications, mobile applications, development, software development, artificial intelligence areas, web applications, enterprise applications. CAT, machine learning, speech recognitions. We have various popular frameworks and libraries for Python. The first one is web development, which is basically used in server-side programming. We have certain frameworks like Django, Flask, Pyramid, CherryPy. Django is one of the most popular frameworks used in web development. For GUI-based applications, we have frameworks like TK, PyGTK, PyOT, PyJS, etc. And for machine learning, which is now popular, very much popular nowadays, we have certain frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, SciPy, etc. And for mathematics, there are certain libraries like NumPys and Pandas, which has a lot of functions which is already written, and you just need to call those functions and it will perform the whole task which you want to perform in your program. Now for running a Python, you need to install the IDE for Python language. We generally use Pycharm IDE. So I have already downloaded it, but just type the Pycharm download over the internet, and the first link that you will get, just click over here and download the free trial, in which you can do by Python development, HTML/JS, SQL support as well. So you can download this one. I have already downloaded, so I can show you here. Once you have downloaded, it will be shown here like this. So now I'll show you how to write a first program. So generally the Python programs in which the files are saved with .py extension. Let's say first statement of our Python program, I want to print this hello world, so I'll write print hello world, and then I'll run the tool. You can use the shortcut Alt Shift F10. So now you can see here hello world. Let's say if you want to print your name, Helen, so just select this part and just run this one. Click on run. Select the file in which your program has written. So now this is patent file. So this is the basic uh, program of running or printing something. Now let's say if you want to assign some value to a variable, so let's say I assign this variable as 10 and I want to print the value of 10 which is stored in a variable. So I'll just type print a and we'll run this program. Just click on run main program. So now you will get the value as 10. So this is one of the important feature of Python. You need not to declare the variable. It will automatically assume that this is a type of integer because we are assigning this as in type values. If you type here 10.5, so this will assume that a will be of type float and it will print 10.5. Let's run this. It is 10.5. I hope you have clear about all this. Now we have just seen the Python print function in our class. Now we will see how we can take the input from the user and print it. So for that we have a function called as input. Let's say uh, I want to ask the user to enter the value of 10. So I'll say enter value of a. And once it is entered, then we can print the value of a. What is the value of a? Could be whatever the value stored in it will be entered here. So I'll run this code. Let's see what is out. So this is asking the value of a. Let's say I am giving as 67. So now this is the value that we have entered. Since it was asking what is the enter the value of a. And after entering, we get the value as 67. Let's say I want to enter the value of b and then want to do some arithmetic operation. B input enter value of b, and before printing I want to store the value of a addition to b, and then I would like to print the value of c, not value of a. Now run the code. Let's say I'm entering as 4. Sorry, it's not here. Just enter the value here in the console. Enter value of a, let's say 7. Oops, this is giving us 47. This is just concatenating the value. But instead of concatenating, we want to add these values. Let's put brace here. Let's see if it prints the value of a. The value of a as, let's say 5, b as 6. Oops, this is not giving the correct results. Alright, so let's convert this to int. First of all, convert a to int a and convert b to int b. Now let's see what's the result we get in C. Let's run this program. Now I'm entering the value of AS5, BS6. Now we get the correct result. If we remove this line and just print here the value of A and B, just like A plus B, then let's see what we will get. I think we should get the addition value. Let's enter the value of PS7. Oops, not. Let's again enter the value as. Now let's change this 1 to minus, and let's run this program. Enter the value as, let's say, 7. Value of B as 3, so 7 minus 3, this should be equal to 4. Now the answer is 4. So we got the correct result. That's all for the today's class, and so I hope you have got some idea what is Python, how to run the Python programs. And you can see that this is very easy thing to learn this programming language and write it in the code editor and run this. This is very easy. And so thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and I will be providing you with some more videos in coming days and covering all the knowledge areas of the Python. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing and keep supporting. Thank you. Bye bye.